It's Handy Val. In this video I'll be showing all the steps involved in changing your cabin air filter on your Audi A3, and what you see in here will be the same or very similar for many other Audi like the TT and Jetta and Volkswagen Golf models from 2006 to 2014. A new filter helps keep road dust and allergens out of your car's cabin when the heater and air conditioner is on. And a clean filter also helps keep your blower motor lasting longer, as a clogged filter and dirty filter can put strain on the motor and cause damage to it, and nobody wants that. Really, these filters are easy to change and fairly cheap. This one from Mann is about $20. So let's get to it. It only takes a few minutes and you don't need any tools. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do, kind of get on your knees here. You're looking at, there's the glove compartment, and you're going down, and what you're going to see, there's this kind of foam piece over here. Sometimes, depending on, there could be a little kind of screw tab that you unwind potentially, right, depending on the type of car you've got and the year. However, this piece just is kind of pretty easy to kind of rip off. Mind you, I don't mean rip off, but you kind of just slowly put your hands on it and just kind of try to yank it off. There you can kind of see two spots where there could be screws on them. Mine doesn't have it. It would have been taken out. And then what reveals itself is underneath there, you kind of see this little plastic compartment starts off around here and ends over there. And what you need to do is kind of get your hands on one of these tabs like that. Okay, you see it, and you're going to kind of push this way. Okay, and there you go. And what should happen at this point should reveal the filter. And all you're going to do now is take this filter, and there's the dust, there's the dirt. That's why I got this cover off over here, and you just kind of want to just push it, or pull it down as best you can. Just doing it. It's always fun to compare the new one and the old one. So here's the new one. You kind of see the way it should look, very clean. Okay. And here you go, you've got the old one, and you can sort of see the dust, the dirt. Alright, so I like to keep the old one here as a little bit of a guide in terms of the direction, right? If you recall, that's how it went up. And so here's the new one, and here's that door that we're speaking about with that tab. Now, one of the things as well with this, now when it's up there, you're going to want to, what you're going to want to do is put, you see the way it's got these little rectangles, and that's meant to capture these pieces here. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this piece in there, and then that's how it latches on. Okay. All right. So let's see if we could push this piece in first. Then you go in then you put this piece in, and then latch it on. Okay. So hopefully you could there see the hole that you're trying to put it in. Once you've got it lined up, it's just a matter of just pushing it in there. Okay, and there you go. Okay, so now we know we've got it, and now we're going to want to take this container, this piece again, remember the tab is on the outside to open it. So what we're going to want to do is engage, push it in, and then get these into the filter. The old one, just as an example, again, get it in there, and then slide it in, and that should keep the filter in place. I see it down there. I've kind of got it engaged. You're going to have a look there. That's actually firmly engaged, and it's going anywhere. Okay, so there you go. And you push it. Okay, see, it's not going anywhere. Looks like it's good there. Okay, so this piece again kind of goes in like that. Okay, and you just want to try to get it in there as much as possible. Okay, get it behind those tabs. Get it behind. A little bit of plastic here, hard plastic. That piece just is meant to kind of just stay there. Okay. And that's it. So again, if you have those little tabs, little screw tabs, you may want to make sure you line up the holes. As a final test, it's always good to maybe just try it out, just to ensure that everything kind of seems to be working properly. You don't necessarily hear any rattling sounds, etc. So let's get this thing on. Let's get actually the AC on. It's a warm day here. Oh yeah. Oh, I feel it. That's good airflow. And it's fresh. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like to show your appreciation and consider subscribing to the Handy Val channel. Also, please check my video library and Audi playlist for all my other Audi videos. Further, I will be posting many other Audi videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.